Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade using LUTs on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to color grade and you're just going to go to adjustments here or adjustments there, and you can go to the LUT section here or go here to add in the LUT that you want. For instance, I want to add in sorry. For instance, I want to add in this LUT. I can also adjust the strength, and you can also enable skin protection, but there's like no skins here. But here you can kind of like adjust the strength, and you can like even adjust the temperature here still of like the LUT and stuff, like the brightness and the contrast as well here in the highlights. But that's basically how you can color grade using LUT. I believe you can layer another one on top, like just add it on top like so, but I usually don't. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!